Hey, welcome to the channel, welcome to the channel, welcome to the channel. Welcome to yet another episode of Trading US30 with me. I know you're here because you saw the thumbnail, bro. Like, I know y'all all here because y'all saw the thumbnail, and it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. We did it. We did it. But before we jump straight to business, I'd like to send a major shout out to my broker, Trade 245. If y'all are looking for a reliable broker in terms of being FSCA approved, you should hit them up. If y'all are looking for a broker which has swift executions, y'all should hit them up. If y'all are looking for a broker which has very quick withdrawals, y'all should definitely hit them up. Now let's jump into what we're really here for. This beauty right here. It's gorgeous right here. Flawless entry as always. But man, just look at this beauty. Over 2,000 peeps. This actually happened so quick, man. I wasn't expecting it to cover the whole gap in one session, but it actually did, and it just blew up. It just blew up. Just take it in. I'm not gonna even say anything about it, bro. Just look at the screen. Over 2,500 peeps. Flawless. And I remember I did talk about this in the previous session. If y'all were watching my previous videos, we did predict this happening. But I was honestly looking for about 500 peeps. But grace of God, bro. Honestly, grace of God. Let's just jump straight to how I got it. I'm just showing y'all 15 minute time frame so y'all can see the actual move. Because how I actually got it, I wasn't looking at the 15-minute time frame. Remember my previous episode, I did mention that this is a swing trade. Let's just jump to how I actually got this. Wait, do I have something here? Oh my god. Okay, I think I can delete this. Great, let's jump to a weekly. Remember our previous session, we did say, where did we end actually? I'm not gonna go like into detail, but I'm really not gonna go into detail because the previous video I actually go into detail about this, but I'll just go through some things that helped me find an entry, right? Because a lot we mentioned in the last video was basically like an area where we'll look for entries. Right now I will just explain how I got the entry, right? Previous video we found this as our support. Remember, this hadn't happened, right? We woke up this Monday to, I think it was like 2,000 peep gap. Yeah, like a 2,000 peep gap, bro. But the previous video was before the gap happened, right? And we actually said that we'll wait for the market to reach this point and then wait for confirmation, right? The previous video we found this as support, and this as our resistance area, right? And this was our point of interest. Wait, fix it. This was our point of interest, our zone. Let's say point of interest zone. It's the same thing, just different jargon, right? This was our point of interest. right? So when I woke up Monday morning, no, it was, yeah, after I actually uploaded the episode, I went and further established this as, which was very important for our entry. I established this as our inner structure liquidity. I'm sure a whole lot of like ICT and SMC is our internal structure liquidity, right? And my private wealth group actually got the detailed analysis. I think I did also send it to my Telegram channel, where I actually sent like a detailed analysis, which was slightly different from, not so different, because it was just this, the only point I found was this internal structure liquidity, right? So after I found that, right, this was Monday morning. I woke up Monday morning, I woke up to the market, it was playing around this spot right here. It was playing around our internal structure liquidity, right? Our internal liquidity, right? And then when I further on looked to the left, I found this spot right here, which marks liquidity as well, right? So it was just a matter of going down a time frame and actually waiting for the market to tap me in again, right? And I went down, I went down to like 4 hours. No, I went down to 1 hour time frame till 15. Right. I went down to an hour time frame to like 15-minute time frame, just to spot an entry, just to wait for the market to tap that liquidity area again, and it actually did tap me in very nicely over here. Tap me in very nicely over there, and the rest was basically history, bro. That's how easy it was. Remember the previous episode, we did mention why we think the market will turn from there, so I'm not gonna get into those points, but I was just getting into entry because I did say we will wait for the market to give us a signal, right? It'll either print a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern, or it'll have some rejection candles or show some form of rejection in that area, and then we will take an entry, right? We will wait, and then that's what I did. I just jumped down a lower time frame and actually waited for the market to tap me in at that specific area. So that's how easy it was, gents. Till the next one, love and peace, and please don't forget to like, subscribe. It actually helps me grow my community, if I'd say, motivates me to make more of these. I was supposed to actually upload another episode, but that's a story for another day. It's how we actually got this right here. If y'all would go back to like the beginning of the video, I'll actually see how I caught this. Well, y'all actually see these trade markers of this trade, right? And the people that actually follow me on Instagram, and I think Instagram and TikTok, I did upload some videos and screenshots of this trade, but it's probably going to be an episode for another day. So till then,